Yo, what's up you guys? Today is another day, another modification day. Today we're getting the VRSF downpipes installed. Shout out to VRSF because this video is sponsored by them. Thank you guys for sending this downpipe to me, and hopefully the exhaust note will sound way better. So I'm going to Dayton, Ohio today to meet up with another YouTuber, and once I meet him and I'll intro him and all that, I'll leave his YouTube channel in the link in the description. He has a 392 Scat Pack. Alright, yo. VRSF downpipes. That's about to go on. Here go the downpipes that gotta come off. Right here, I don't want to touch it because it's hot. And then right there. Now I'm gonna get a check engine light because the O2 sensors are gonna sense that there's no cats because I got catless downpipes. But here we got the oil cooler where the Turner Motorsports front mount skid plate was mounted. I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. You can see all the salt from the road. It's probably gonna be the hardest part. This shit is all like rusted on. Thank goodness VRSF provides their own bolts for this. I would have hated doing this, to be honest. I'm even gonna hold you. Yeah, this all clean. I definitely got to ride in this. Yes, sir.
I think it's a drug dealer.
And he only got a what's a mid muffler delete? That shit sound good.
I'm trying to get the straight pipe.
I need to get my Instagram thing like that big. Go ahead and follow him.
Sure.
There you go. Link will be in the description also to his YouTube channel.
Oh my God, it's Eddie.
Your leg still fucked up. Damn.
Damn, I need to get my filter.
It's a white kid, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I raced him in the Camaro, bro. It was bad.
You smoked him?
Kind of chubby, ain't he? Yeah. I like his rap, I think.
He just got this.
Like 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Shit clean. Got CTSV. It's got a wrap. This is a pearl white. Can't even see because I gotta get my filter on. It's not hard. 550 horsepower to the crank. It's got the panoramic roof. Satin pearl white. I can't even see it. Got that Scat Pack.
Right after you, low trap like 7 months after you did, bro.
Alright, we got the regular downpipes right here. Oh, it's not even cold anymore. These joints.
You trying to pull these, James?
These are heavy.
Yeah, you wouldn't have wanted to do this, man.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Engine mounts and
There it is.
everything.
I'm looking at it now. Like, I'm glad I didn't do it.
Just had to loosen the engine mounts too.
So that's where the downpipes go. One to the turbo right there. It's got a little spool. You can't even see it for real. Well, let me take my light out. Right there. That's where one of the downpipes go. Where's the other one at? Oh, right here. Yeah, I would have hated doing that.
I don't. The O2 should be the same for.
Yeah, that's the OEM one. That's the aftermarket jump.
That one. You got this one?
Yeah.
Get this one. Get this one out. Oh, there.
Oh yeah. Hope y'all seen this too. It came with the bolts.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, we saw that. We were questioning that for a minute.
Yeah, definitely appreciate you guys for helping out.
I really like TK would be nice, but I'd rather have my own stuff. You know.
See, I don't have that neither. That C's thing.
Well, you never know. You don't want to come back in here and fucking fight with it.
Right. That was the problem y'all was having before, right? Taking the OEM ones off.
Well, yeah, we had to raise the motor a little bit.
Got another M4 over here. He got what is this? 305 3519s on the rear. Yeah, carbon fiber. He took his spoiler off, as you can see with the residue. You can follow him on IG. Rich_Max Kid. But he's done a lot more to his, like, I guess power wise. Carbon fiber mirror caps. He's got the front mounted air intakes. MSR front mounted air intakes. He's got a JB4 tune. What else did he do to it? I think that's all. It's got the carbon fiber roof. Supposedly it's loud, so I'm gonna get a startup on this.
Yeah, it's nice out.
Alright, shout yourself out. You got a channel, Max?
Nah, I got just Instagram.
You
bro.
gotta make one.
That's all I got. I got a YouTube.
Yeah,
I gotta get one.
you gotta make a YouTube with that M4.
I could, bro. You know how much footage people recorded of my stuff, and I ain't getting known for it. They just get known. I'm sorry.
Shout your Instagram out.
Follow me on the ground, man. Rich_Max Kid, man. Follow your boy.
I'll link that in the description below. And Eddie, what's your channel?
Y'all already know AYEOOOWHIPS. AYEOOOWHIP whips. AYEOOOWHIPS. Goddamn.
Same for IG too.
Oh yeah.
So that will be in the link in the description. I'm about to get these pulls a little bit.
That traction on Sporter, yeah, sir. What did he say? He said the tires?
I'm about to see.
Man, he'll sell them. He don't care, bro.
Them tires only up 130 online, brand new. So that's why I was saying I'm like, shoot.
For 315?
Yeah.
You gotta show me that.
You gotta help me get those 295s and 275s.
I got you. I got a tire plug on those for you. For M4.
Ain't even push it yet. This thing sound good. I ain't gonna hold you.
It's gonna be popping too.
Sir. Downstairs are crazy.
I swear. That's just with the mid muffler delete.
I'll tell you with the L.
Oh man.
Pop, like, it'll sound like pop, 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 pop.
That's wild. Just the mid muffler delete. Still got his regular exhaust. I mean muffler up there.
This thing crazy.
Still, yeah, you still got stock downpipes, right?
Everything's stock. Everything is stock except for the
stock headers.
Yeah, everything's stock. So this thing pop.
And he ain't even got an intake yet. Imagine how much airflow is about to get in.
These headers though, the downpipes only turbos for us.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's true. But you still kind of like, my boy has a regular charger. You still kind of hear like a sound to it though.
Yeah.
You hear like
it sounds like it got a supercharger on it.
Yeah.
I swear that's how all the 6.4s are.
And when you get this job straight pipe, oh man, it's about to sound crazy.
Scat Pack, I have Oh man! Oh, I am.
What'd I tell you, Eddie? I'm
with the paddle.
shitting
That's
myself.
what the paddles go to.
That's what I'm saying. If you just start a paddle and then hold it to drive, bro, you would.
I can give him a little head start.
You got a little head start too.
This thing crazy.
But that's what I mean. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh man.
I didn't get no video right now.
Oh, give me your phone. I'll do it for you.
That shit loud.
Yo.
When he be driving, his shit be loud as fuck on the highway. I swear to God.
Oh man.
You can't even hear your car when he be driving.
What's this? A Ghostbuster?
He said
I
Ghostbusters.
want to take a picture of that.
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh nah.
taking a
He
Oh,
got
he on some weird
yeah,
shit.
he got skulls and candles and all that.
Support the sheriffs and.
Oh,
my
nah.
God.
Look at the little jump
Look
right
at him.
there.
That's him right there. I bet. With the
Oh,
black.
that's to do with the what's it
That's
called?
him with the black, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
With the blade looking
You
jacket.
can't tell me mental illness ain't real.
He was at one of the car shows out
Get
there.
the fuck out of here. No, he wasn't.
Yes, he was.
I'll go get the what's it called, jumps.
Bro.
That joint is hard with the strobe lights. You got the lights in the hood. Ooh, that joint is clean. Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. His on fire.
That's I'm getting them lights.
Crazy, you should just pulled your shit right there.
Yeah, there was a rock there when I was going there. You didn't tell me about the rock.
Hey, I did.
Yeah, he did, but you didn't.
Yo, his joint clean though. Yeah, you definitely got it. Y'all some Mopar ass dudes.
Is he polo? Is he going? I don't know.
Right? Everybody got Mopar.
I told you.
Is this car blue or black?
They both.
Yeah, but
Oh. I feel so out of place.
He ain't gonna be up like that.
don't trust him.
He had the
No, because that rock is there.
wait, where he trying to?
That's got to come back in here. Look, I can.
I gotta come look at this junk. This junk clean. Got the strobe in it. Oh, I thought that was a light. That's a wrap. Oh, that's a wrap around there too. If you look at it, this junk clean. You definitely watch this junk. We got it in there too. Those like aftermarket lug nuts. Oh, that's hard because I ain't never seen nobody without the bird or the bee. 392 Rio. Oh yeah, this is hard. Look at that. That is hard. And then you got this upgraded spoiler. Oh yeah, this is tough. This is definitely tough. Oh yeah. That is hard. That's hard. Got the smoked out tail lights. It's not clean. We got 295/45. I'm getting 295/35s. And these are 20s. What is these? 275/40 20s. This junk clean. And got the whole Mopar crew here. What's this, a 392?
Yeah. 6.4 liter, you know.
Headlights.
I got my bottoms off right now. You know, I got the
Yeah. This junk clean though.
my rims dirty.
Everybody's car is dirty right now. Got the Brembos.
Back just hitting like that. Damn.
Smoked out tail lights.
Oh my God, it's ready for YouTube. And I'm not even done with it.
This is Mopar City, yo. Like,
You don't even see these. Like, this is a rare 392 right here.
Yeah.
You see these a lot. Oh, let me get you. scared to hit your gas.
You got the Scat Pack. He smoked him! Oh man! Alright, so that's gonna end it with the vlog. I'm headed back to Columbus. It was a good time meeting up with new people from Dayton at that. All of them are car guys. Most of them are Mopar kind of guys, but there was one other M4 guy, which was the black one, which was Max. Other than that, we're gonna definitely link up. Max does a lot of work too. He wraps his cars. Well, he wraps cars. He does a lot of tuning. He doesn't do tuning stuff, but he does a lot of stuff to his car. Other than that, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. You guys know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Go flow. Oh shit.